Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining in on our discussion. Unfortunately, we ran into some technical difficulties and were unable to come to you live from Gustolab's visit to the Slow Food Farm here on the outskirts of Rome. However, we had a great time and I'm tired from a full day of learning experience in various farms in Italy. In today's discussion, we are going to be speaking about some tips and tricks to improve your own physical wellness and health sustainably while abroad. My name is Austin Featherstone. I'm from Park Ridge, Illinois, and a junior at the University of Illinois, currently studying abroad at the beautiful Gustolab in Scuola di Leonardo da Vinci while in Rome.
Hello, my name is Grace Han and I'm from Vernon Hills, Illinois. I'm a junior at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, studying advertising and leadership studies.
Hello, my name is Tim Griffin and I'm a junior at the University of Illinois, studying journalism. I'm currently studying in Rome food and culture at the Gustolab Institute.
So in order to help you guys improve your own physical wellness and health and to live a more sustainable life abroad, we're going to pinpoint 3 different components in our discussion today: how to stay physically healthy, how to maintain a healthy diet, and how to stay mentally healthy.
For many students, it's very hard to find time to continue to maintain living a healthy, fit lifestyle while abroad. Whether it be that students can't find time in between traveling and classes or joining a gym just isn't in their budget, it can be difficult. But it's very important for students to be able to manage their schedules and fit in some sort of physical activity. Whether you are abroad or not, regular physical activity is important to help maintain a healthy body. According to the World Health Organization, people who are physically active improve their muscular and cardiorespiratory fitness, improve their bone and functional health, have lower rates of coronary heart disease, and are more likely to maintain their weight. For students, public transportation can be helpful to get places, but also takes away the opportunity to fit in some physical exercise. Walking to school or walking to see different historical monuments can provide a great outlet for helping yourself stay physically fit. Personally, my friends and I try to walk everywhere, so we, even if we don't have time to get an actual workout in, are doing something to be physically active. Students can also look into joining gyms. There are plenty of gyms with membership monthly rates around Rome. If a gym membership doesn't fit in your budget, there's still plenty of other ways to stay physically fit. Since I don't belong to a gym, I try to go on runs in my spare time. When River Tiber isn't flooded, there's a great path along the river where many runners and bikers go. Another important aspect of maintaining a physically fit lifestyle is being aware of weight fluctuation. Many students abroad can run into this issue because their diet completely changes and don't necessarily have access to a scale. Students can, however, access a scale at some of the pharmacies throughout Rome to monitor their weight. Monitoring your weight once every 2 weeks can help you analyze how your body has changed abroad, if you're still maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and if you are still maintaining a healthy lifestyle. To also help combat weight fluctuation, students need to be aware of what consists of a healthy diet. Austin is going to talk a little bit about this. Austin?
Thanks, Timothy. When a lot of people think of Italian cuisine, the first thing that comes to their mind is pizza, pasta, and bread. And although these foods might be delicious, it is very important to eat more than just carbs in order to maintain a high level of physical wellness and health. Our first couple of weeks here in Rome, we neglected this info and we're eating pizza or pasta twice a day. We learned that eating these types of food every day will make you fill up, want a nap, and put on the pounds. We adapted our eating habits and lifestyles after doing some research on Italian recipes in grocery stores. Grocery stores and markets in Italy typically sell all of their produce and items in much smaller quantities. They do this to emphasize the freshness of produce. Markets offer a variety of locally grown fruits, veggies, and sometimes even meat and cheese, all for a fraction of the price that you pay at a restaurant. Grocery stores offer a variety of meats, cheeses, fruits, and veggies as well. They typically have some sort of these items refrigerated or frozen, but the real Italian way is to head to the salumiere counter in the back of the store, where you can find a variety of fresh meat, cheeses, and bread from that particular region. Eating fresh and locally grown foods is a great way to help the local economy, as well as simply tasting better when trying to get your vitamins and nutrients into your body. Having such nice grocery stores and markets so close to our apartments, we started to cook meals ourselves on a daily basis. Most meals we make consist of some sort of pasta, of protein, and vegetables. With these three main categories of food, we found a number of different delicious recipes using various different ingredients. My go-to meal consists of some penne pasta with a simple pepper and pecorino cheese topping paired with some salt and pepper seasoned chicken with some sauteed spinach and broccoli and olive oil. Drink a nice glass of red wine with the meal for heart health reasons, and you have yourself a well-rounded meal that's perfect for maintaining a proper level of physical and mental health while abroad. Now I'm going to pass it over to Grace so she can talk about mental health.
Thanks, Austin. Mental health is also an important topic of conversation. While abroad, it is easy to fall into the depths of culture shock and reject the full immersion and experience of being in a foreign country. According to the Webster Dictionary, culture shock is defined as a sense of confusion and uncertainty, sometimes with feelings of anxiety that may affect people exposed to an alien culture or environment without adequate preparation. Many college students are unfamiliar with being displaced in a foreign country for the entirety of a whole semester. By being placed in a study abroad situation and atmosphere, the presence of culture shock is undeniable. When experiencing culture shock, it is vital that one is aware of his or her surroundings. Rather than isolating oneself in his or her room, it is necessary for the said individual to participate in activities with others. Whether it's activities provided by the respective school or done individually among friends, one must be participative and open. Activities are not limited by any means and can be as simple as going out to dinner with your roommates at an authentic Italian restaurant or enjoying dessert by any landmark representative of the city. My roommates and I love to eat out at different restaurants at least once a week. While enjoying authentic Italian cuisine, we are also able to spend time with one another and reflect on our week together. Once more comfortable with the idea of immersing into a new culture, more drastic measures can be taken to eliminate the presence of culture shock. Such can include traveling to other regions of Italy or even to other countries in Europe. By being receptive and open to the idea of accepting and immersing oneself into a new culture, the presence of culture shock will undeniably lessen and diminish over time. Through adaptation in a new country, communication with people from home also has a heavy effect on culture shock. By limiting communication with loved ones from home, one has the opportunity to experience the new culture without being held back. While a healthy balance of communication is required, it is crucial that continued and consistent conversation with those from back home is controlled. By joining in protective measures to eliminate culture shock, any study abroad student can have the freedom and mental capacity to enjoy the wonderful opportunity of living independently in a foreign country for a whole semester.
Thanks, Grace. Mental health is an important topic of discussion. Along with that, it is important that we keep Austin's reminder to stray away from solely eating pizza and pasta for every meal. We must incorporate fresh fruit to fuel our body and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Along with Austin's suggestions, including regular exercise into one's schedule is also important. With rigorous academic schedules, it is still necessary to go for a walk whenever possible. Grab a friend and walk along the Tiber River or visit the Pantheon whenever you can. Thank you all for listening, and we hope you keep our suggestions of improving and maintaining both physical and mental health in mind.
Well said, Tim. Although we couldn't report to you live from the farm today, we still want to thank you for tuning in. We learned and experienced lots of sights and smells while at the farms today, and we are looking forward to continue to learn about sustainability abroad.
Ciao.